Vice President, retired General Dr. Constantino Chiwenga delivered a blistering address on Thursday, condemning corruption and unethical practices that, he said, threaten Zimbabwe's development and economic progress. Sarabida mashoko buda panguva ino vanhu vachiti Pashata, aiwa panguva ino VP Constantino Chiwenga vosvika marasha panokunzi mumasvingo, aiwa Chiwenga denounce corruption and unethical dealings. Don't be subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV na muna mubda nyukwamchinzi. Speaking at the official opening of the Construction Industry Federation of Zimbabwe (CIFO's) annual congress at the Masvingo Hotel, VP Chiwenga did not mince words. In quotes, "We cannot and will not tolerate corruption, tender manipulation, or unethical dealings that undermine confidence and compromise delivery," he declared, sending a clear warning to business leaders and public officials alike. "We cannot and we will not tolerate corruption." The Vice President emphasized the role of integrity in building sustainable economies. "You will agree with me that all thriving economies the world over were built through sacrifice, honesty, and hard work," he said. Chiwenga further highlighted the far-reaching consequences of unethical conduct, noting that it erodes public trust and damages reputation. In quotes, "It is common cause that unethical dealings result in public outrage and diminished consumer confidence, which can significantly harm the reputation of companies and individuals, ultimately affecting future business opportunities and national development," he added. Ndo mashoko echitoko pana VP Constantino Chiwenga in Masvingo panguva ino achiti aiwa ngazvimiswe zvema unethical dealings, corruption. Panguva ino Chiwenga uya achifema pamwechete nekubuditsa moto mumukanwa achidismisa zvigananda. Tuzive mafungiro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.